Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the right Python runtime. TensorFlow requires a supported 3x version, so check Python version now. Once confirmed, create and activate a virtual environment so packages stay isolated. Then upgrade pip, wheel, and setup tools to avoid build issues. Run pip install upgrade pip wheel setup tools. Now you have prerequisites in place and a clean environment. Next, we install TensorFlow itself and verify the import step by. You now install TensorFlow with pip inside the activated venv. Pip install TensorFlow. If you need GPU acceleration on macOS or specific GPUs, pick the vendor package or drivers before installing, but for the only supported simple path, use the main pip package. Once pip finishes, confirm installation with pip show TensorFlow and note the version. Make sure the wheel matched your Python ABI. Mismatches cause import errors. After install, proceed to a real import test in Python. You finish by testing the import directly. Run Python, see import TensorFlow as TF, print TF. Version, to see a version number and confirm success. If import fails, make sure you activated the virtual environment that pip installed into that venv and that Python matches the supported version. Once done, recreate the venv and reinstall if problems persist. This resolves most conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched Python ABI or stale pip wheels are the usual culprit. Upgrade pip and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.